Hello, hi all of you. Welcome to another session in my tourism and hospitality management lesson series. Today I have selected the topic Hotel Organizational Chart, which is a subheading under the main topic Hotel Organization, comes under the module Hotel Management. So in this session, I'm going to explain you what is a hotel organizational chart and what is the importance of having a hotel organizational chart and how to create or how to design a hotel organizational chart. And also here I have provided some examples. So let's continue. A hotel organizational chart or the structure presents a high-level overview of the business or the hotel. A high-level or an abstract-level overview means showing you how your business or the hotel is working from the inside. It will also present the departments or the positions working inside your organization and how they perform. The size of the hotel will determine the size and the nature of its organizational flowchart. A small hotel with a handful of employees may feature a two-level chart with the owner at the top and the lines connected to maintenance, reservation, and housekeeping. Meanwhile, a medium-sized hotel organizational structure could basically segment it into 6 or 7 divisions, including front office, food and beverage, housekeeping, finance or the account department, human resources, sales and logistics. Further, maintenance and engineering departments might be included. A chain hotel or a large-scale hotel must insert additional layers of management, including an executive board and regional managers, which expand the flowchart to at least 4 to 5 layers. An organizational flowchart can be as general as a simple departmental overview or focused on position-by-position relationship throughout the hotel. Each hotel, whether it is big or small, needs an organizational structure to carry out its daily operations. It is used to help divide tasks, specify the job for each department, and delegate authority within and among the departments. Each hotel organizes the workforce in different ways. So if you compared 2-3 hotel organizational charts in the similar hotels in the same category, you might see a variety. But however, as the final outcome, this effective job specification will increase the work productivity and also the efficiency. What is the importance or the necessity of having a hotel organizational chart? Number 1. To convey the roles and responsibilities. The best thing about the hotel organizational chart is that it conveys to every entity their roles and responsibilities. Every portion inside the organization makes a consensus on the hotel or the business organizational chart that how they would function for the betterment of the business. Number 2. It helps in decision making. The hotel organizational chart helps the board of directors, managers, and other business leaders to make crucial decisions easily without any research because they have a good hotel organizational chart present on the table. Number 3. Clear the reporting and communication confusions of the employees. A hotel organizational chart helps the employees know about whom they will communicate or report about their work or when something goes wrong. Number 4. Helps in multiple managerial programs. A hotel organizational chart helps managers conduct valuable and necessary drills like risk management and disaster recovery. Not only in training, but it also helps in an uncertain situation. Number 5. Encourage and improve efficiency. As it avoids the conflicts and confusions among employees, it will encourage the employees to work effectively and efficiently. So it will help the smooth flow of the hotel functions. There are 5 major departments that are present in each and every hotel organizational structure. They are food and beverage, rooms department, human resources, marketing and accounting departments. Of course, in a small scale hotel organizational structure, 1 or 2 of these departments could be linked together due to low number of employees. Food and beverage department is responsible for running room service, bar and restaurant operations. The rooms department handles customer service including laundry, housekeeping and reservations. The human resources department is asked to handle employee recruitment and training. Accounting department oversees the hotel ledgers. The marketing department is given the responsibility of selling ad space in the hotel and running promotions. Now we shall see how to create a hotel organizational chart. But remember, you may not find the same structure in 2 similar hotels. The structure of the hotel depends on several factors, including the establishment size, its services and amenities, its budget and its business goals. As I said earlier, a small hotel may assign its marketing activities to the front desk department, while a luxury hotel may have a separate division in charge of advertising and sales. As the first step of creating a hotel organizational structure, you should collect all the data and information. You have to get all the data and information about each and every department, including its head, how they work cross-functionally, reporting to whom, how they are connected. You have to gather all these types of answers to make your hotel organizational chart perfect. You can also take help from multiple departments to avoid mistakes. Before actually writing down the information, you have to go through a very serious step to find out the organizational structure your hotel implements. There are 4 types of hotel or the business organizational structures or charts. All 4 types are somehow different from each other, and they are used for multiple size and functions of the businesses or the hotels. So first, you should identify which organizational structure you are going to use in your hotel organizational chart. Is that hierarchical organizational structure, functional organizational structure, matrix organizational structure or circular organizational structure. To decide that, you should have an idea about these 4 types of organizational structures. So first of all, we shall see what are these 4 types of organizational structures and how they function. Then you can decide which organizational chart structure is suitable for your hotel organizational chart. A hierarchical structure relies on having different levels of authority within a chain of command connecting multiple management levels within the organization. The decision-making process is typically formal and flows from the top to bottom. A hierarchical organizational chart can be utilized in the hotels that are both small and large in their sizes and the functions. Most hotels use a hierarchical organizational structure with predefined roles and departments. Each specific department is run by medium and low-level managers. They coordinate employees' activities, assign tasks, supervise work operations, and monitor the overall performance of the department they are responsible for. Usually, the general manager is at the top of the hierarchy, and this position oversees the various departments within the hotel. So the hotel employees have clearly defined responsibilities and everyone knows their roles. Functional hotel organizational chart. In this type of organizational structure, businesses are organized according to their roles and skills into smaller groups or departments. A functional hotel organizational chart also includes a hierarchy used in those businesses and hotels that have specialized their important business departments. In the functional organizational chart, the positions and their information are also listed, which means with a photo, name, and contact details. Here you can see a sample label that you can use in your hotel organizational chart. There you should display a professional photo of the entity and the name uses at duty, which means the name which is to be used officially, not the family name with initials. Sometimes the employee may use another name at the duty, but you have displayed only the family name in the label, so there will be confusions. Next, the position and the official contact details based on the position. A matrix organization is a company structure where teams report to multiple leaders. The matrix design keeps open communication between teams and can help companies create more innovative products and services. Matrix organizational structure is one of the main forms of structures which is actively used by the organizations to carry forth the functions of a company. It is a way of arranging the business so that you can set up reporting relationships as a grid or a matrix rather than the traditional hierarchy. A matrix organizational structure is a combination of 2 or more organizational structure types. So it is the structure uniting these other organizational structures to give them balance. Matrix organizational charts are used in the hotels where multiple departments work cross-functionally. Due to this cross-functionality, they make a complex hierarchy. And so, a matrix chart is mostly used to handle this situation. A circular organizational chart is an alternative to the standard hierarchical organizational chart. But like all organizational charts, it visualizes the organizational structure of the hotel to show the information like who reports to whom and to which department each employee belongs. After gathering all the information and deciding your chart structure or the type, now it is time to get your hands dirty in finding the right solution or the application to make your hotel organizational chart. You can find plenty of applications, the software in internet free of charge to design your organizational structure. Here I have given few examples. You can use Google Business Suite, Microsoft 365, so and so. When you are using your chosen tool or the software to complete your hotel organizational chart, the best practice is to start from the template to boost productivity and to avoid mistakes. Include all the symbols used in the hotel organizational chart. After completing the chart, get it to your supervisor for the approval and for corrections. Next, I am going to display you few sample hotel organizational charts. You will see one small hotels organizational chart, one medium hotels organizational chart, and one large hotels organizational chart. In this chart, a hierarchical business model is implemented. As I have mentioned above, the hierarchical structure can be used in small hotels or the businesses. And so happened here. The leading department or the position here is the front office manager. And then comes the duty manager and the reservation supervisor. As you can see, the duties of food and beverage, housekeeping and human resources are handled by the duty manager, while the reservation supervisor handles sales and marketing. This medium-sized hotel implements the hierarchical structure for its hotel organizational chart. The front office department include housekeeping, recreational services, hospitality, food and beverage, the ground and maintenance. The chart does not have leading positions like the executives or board of directors. The diagram only implements the hierarchical structure, but other systems can also be implemented here. This hotel is implementing both hierarchical and matrix structures because the departments work cross-functionally. The general manager is the head of the managing department, and below him are the micromanagers. Below the deputy manager, we get positions like financial director or the controller, food and beverage director, front office manager, HR manager, sales and marketing director, so and so. The chart also shows some degrees of functional structure due to a lot of departments. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you have learned about hotel organizational charts. I hope now you can identify the types of hotel organizational charts, and also you can design your own hotel organizational chart. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.